In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Go Back button in Card.co. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable button that takes visitors right where you want them to go, using Card's built-in tools. First, head to Card.co and sign into your account. You'll land on your dashboard, which lists all your sites. Pick the site where you want to add a Go Back button. If you see a pencil icon on the thumbnail, click that, or choose Edit this site. This opens the card builder so you can make changes in real time. Inside the builder, look for the Add control, often shown as a plus icon. Click it to open the element picker. From here, choose Buttons. Card will place a new button on your canvas. You can drag it where you want it to appear, typically near the top left or bottom of a page if you want it to behave like a back button, but place it wherever fits your layout. To customize it, select the button and open its settings using the small drop-down arrow or Properties panel. This is where you control what the button says, where it goes, and how it looks. If the button is hard to see against your background, you can adjust style, size, and alignment here as well to keep it consistent with your design. Set the label first. Type something clear and helpful like Go Back, Back to Home, or Back to Portfolio. Whatever best describes where the visitor will land. Short and descriptive labels improve accessibility and reduce confusion. Next, set the destination. In the URL field, enter the link you want the button to open. This could be your site's main page, a specific section on a multi-section card site, or another page you want people to return to. If you're linking to a page on another domain, make sure the full address is correct, including HTTPS. If you're linking within the same card site, you can use your internal page or section link, so visitors move smoothly without leaving the site. As a tip, decide whether the link should open in the same tab to keep the navigation seamless. When you're happy with the label, the URL, and the styling, click Done to save the button's settings. Take a moment to align it with nearby elements so it looks intentional and easy to find. After publishing, test the button to confirm it takes visitors to the right place. That's it. A simple, reliable Go Back button in Card, ready to guide your visitors smoothly through your site.